Product Champ's helped me streamline because it's consolidated all of our business contacts into one place. We can manage everything. You can look at all your analytics. You have Jasper in there. You have the Open AI, Chat GPT. You have so many tools and resources all in one spot. The benefits that we've seen from using Product Champ is constant contact with our clients. So the people that are looking for help, the people that we help, the people that are just looking to be interested. And it manages everything in one nice, neat place where it's instant. I can access it from any place, from my phone, my computer, my laptop, keeps my desktop as clean as it can be. Product Champ's helped our customer experiences. It's really professional. It's clean. It's fast. It's integrated. We get the comment from a lot of people: who's running your stuff? Your tech is really nice. Your emails are great. Your blogs are great. Everything that is posted out there is effective. We're seeing a good return on that. And everything to help us grow our business and earn revenue. It's really streamlined everything. It integrates our payment processing right into one spot so we can view everything. We have the analytics. We can send receipts. We can track. People order things off of our website. It's in there. It reminds us certain tasks that have to be done. It's absolutely essential. It's the main proponent of what keeps our business actually functioning so we can perform on working with families. Save my time and efficiency exponentially. I can't even begin to imagine working without it. Just keeping track of everybody from all the different websites, from all the different social media accounts, and the direct messaging, the emails, everything is in one clean dashboard. It's absolutely amazing. I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing without it. Champ's team level of support is absolutely incredible. At any issue that we've had, they've jumped into it. They've resolved the situation. Really, we haven't run into many issues. They're very easy to work with. They're very clear. The Loom videos that they create to walk you through certain things is incredible. It's a fantastic product. It's a game changer. I appreciate most using Product Champ is it takes everything pretty much off of my plate business wise. I don't have to keep track of any contact name, number, address, revenue stream, what posts are out there. It tracks absolutely everything in one place and it keeps it there in real time for me. Compared to other software solutions is absolutely a game changer. It doesn't even stack up. You have to use other programs to do everything that Product Champ is doing. I wouldn't be able to work without it. It really integrates everything smoothly. It's very easy to work with. All the analytics are there. The support is there. It outfunctions other software programs that just do one specific task, where this helps you multitask. Product Champ has helped our business by keeping track and constant contact of all the people that are reaching out. Sometimes we get a few different people with different scenarios, and it's hard to keep track of everybody who's what, who's where, and all the information, where Product Champ keeps that nice and clean and consolidated for me. And it allows me to function in other areas at the same time. So that way I'm not missing any. Absolutely would recommend Product Champ, and I have, because it's just so easy to work with, especially if you're not tech friendly. And I'm fairly somewhat tech savvy compared to some of the people that I work with. And I just find it absolutely amazing and easy to work with. It's very smooth. It's clean. All the instructions are there. And what you don't need, they integrate in. They resolve the problems rapidly or walk you through what it is that you're looking for, what you need. Product Champ has really helped us get off of the ground at a really rapid pace. And I can't even count the number of people who've actually made the comment of how have you been able to do this? How do you keep track of everything? I just help. We have a program. We have a team that we work with. Product Champ is absolutely phenomenal. It's helped us in ways I can't even describe. Every time I think that Product Champ is like at the top level, they introduce a new function. They're on top of the game. They're on top of the trends, and they're setting trends. So it's absolutely a phenomenal product. I can't recommend it enough to every business, whether you're in music, nonprofit, whatever it is that you're doing. If you're dealing with people, if you're dealing with products, if you're dealing with marketing needs, which every business has, Product Champ is the way to go.